Hi friends, how are you? This is Ernest here with a review of Pushable. Now Pushable has been launched earlier with a great amount of success. Also launched as Push Pro and it was rechristened as Pushable. Even Pushable was launched earlier in the month of June in 2021 with a great amount of success. So now again Pushable is relaunched. Let us see how helpful this will be for your affiliate marketing. Pushable is a new end technology which is 300 times better than email. And before I go into the details, let me talk to you about my bonuses. Once you decide to buy Pushable, you can click the link below and purchase Pushable along with my bonuses. My bonuses are: access the high ticket mastery. This is my bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is how to WordPress your YouTube video posts. Bonus number 3, learn how to get better conversions. Bonus number 4, access the Fugo breakout. Fugo breakout is nothing but traffic generation, how to generate traffic to your links and all the special bonuses that is given by the vendor. So these are the bonuses that you will be getting. I would like to tell you in the beginning itself so that I can go tell you in detail about Pushables. So what is Pushable all about? Pushable is a cloud-based autoresponder for web push notification, which is 300 times better than emailing. And best of all, it's so easy to use it. You simply had to add one line to your code to your website, and then when people click yes to your sign up, then you instantly get all your list, and then you can blast 24/7 and start making commissions and getting traffic. You don't need autoresponder, squeeze page, or lead magnet. Now you may ask, how does Pushables work? So you'll be wondering, without emailing, how do I build up a list? Okay, you must be wondering. You must be seeing that whenever you're using a mobile, you'll get a pop-up. And do you know that you can send push notification, pop-up notification to your web browser, just like how you get it on your mobile? In fact, thousands of affiliates are already using this. Probably you don't know about this. And this is what Pushable will do for you. And it is so easy to do. All you have to do is just one code you have to enter, and Pushable is going to do the rest of the job for you. I'll just play a small video so that you will know what it is all about.
Okay, hello and welcome. Chris here, and in this video I'm going to show you how quickly you can get started with Push Pro and launch an instant list building website collecting push subscribers in literally just a few seconds. Now before we get started, I want to point out you will need two things. Firstly, you'll need a brand new Push Pro account just like I have here, and secondly you'll need a ClickBank account, because that's how we're going to monetize during this video, as I'll show you in just a second. But the reason I've created this video is to demonstrate just how quickly Push Pro can launch a brand new list building website with done for you messages, done for you affiliate links, done for you monetization, and of course a done for you website with hosting and domain name preloaded. So I'm going to start this with a brand new account just like you'll get. So let's head over to my Push Pro account. So you can see I've already started to send a little bit of traffic here. And when you log into Push Pro, the first thing you'll notice is the nav bar, and the way this works is as follows. Firstly, we create a new list, then we grab our opt-in code so that people can subscribe to that list. Once we're getting new subscribers, we can set up a follow-up sequence which will welcome them and of course monetize those new subscribers. We can then broadcast to those new subscribers whenever we want, view stats on our subscribers, create new websites to collect leads, and also start to send done for you template messages as well. But one of the cool things about logging into Push Pro for the first time is you'll notice that we've created a new list called My First List. And if we go to the opt-ins page under view opt-ins, you'll also notice that we've created a brand new opt-in message which looks like this. Let me just click on edit and show you. And this is our best performing opt-in message. It's already preloaded inside the opt-in message page on Push Pro the first time you log in. Now you can of course edit this if you want, but I do recommend that you stick with this for two reasons. One, it's our best performing message, but secondly, this actually promises them 7 free affiliate software tools which are worth over $20,000, and any internet marketer with any kind of common sense is going to want to subscribe to get those 7 tools. And that brings me to the third thing that we've done, because anyone who does subscribe by default is going to see a follow-up message which we've preloaded, which is this one here. And this message essentially delivers that 7 free softwares to them the second that they join. And so of course anyone who subscribes, anyone who hits your website is going to see this message giving them an incredibly good deal. They're going to click yes. They're then going to instantly receive this message giving them the 7 free software tools exactly as you promised, and so of course they're going to be very receptive from that point on to any additional information that you give them, any additional messages. You're going to have a very high click-through rate, very high open rate, and so it's really a good way to start off that relationship with them, and it's all preloaded within the first 3 pages here of list, opt-ins and follow-ups the first time that you log into Push Pro. But Push Pro is really just one of the 2 software tools that you get within the Push Pro package. There's actually Push Pro, which is really your push autoresponder as such. But there's also a second tool which is called Instant Push Pages, and this is the tool which allows you to actually create your first landing page to collect those push subscribers. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually start a timer and show you how quickly we can go from logging in to Push Pro for the first time with Push Pro open and Instant Push Pages, how quickly we can go from this, the first thing you'll see when you log in and you get that welcome email instantly after you've joined Push Pro, to then actually being able to have a live website which has got a follow-up already set up and is actually collecting leads. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to grab our opt-in code rather, which is just, let me see if I can pull it up. Let's just go here. So we're going to grab this opt-in code here. We're going to paste it into Instant Push Pages along with a few other bits of information. I'm going to click Save at the bottom, and it's going to give us a instant website essentially. So let me just go over to my timer, and I'm going to start the timer now. So the first thing we'll want to do is go over to the opt-ins page and click on View. It's going to bring up that default opt-in. We click on the embed link, and it's going to ask us what list we want them to subscribe to, tracking code. Let's put in Solo 1 October, because I'm probably going to run a solo ad tomorrow, so we'll call it Solo 1 October. Where do we want to send it from? Doesn't make much difference, but let's put in the pushpro.com. Where do we want to redirect them after sign up? Well, I've already got a link here which I'm going to send people to. This is a link that you'll get as well, and it basically promotes one of my top performing offers, and you'll be earning 100% on this. So I'm just going to copy that code. Now I've done everything I need to on Push Pro, so I'm going to go over to Instant Push Pages, choose a name for my website. I'm just going to call it Demo, enter my affiliate ID, let's put that there, my push opt-in codes which I've just grabbed, website name, I'm just going to call this Demo Site. Don't need to enter a logo, don't need to enter a support email, can skip all of this, and then at the bottom I just click on the Save Changes, and our page is instantly created. And let's see, that took probably around 1 hour, 1:20 I would say, probably around 99 seconds or so. And we've now got a page live on the internet with all of these are our affiliate links, by the way, and there's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different links on here, which include our affiliate link. And if I then click on this link, it then shows us our opt-in message. And so all we need to do basically is now send people to here, and we're going to monetize using all of these links, and anyone who clicks here is going to be subscribed and is going to enter that follow-up sequence, so that we can now start to monetize. And of course, what we'll want to do at this point is to go over to the done for you section and start to look at other messages that we can add to our follow-up sequence. So go over to affiliate promos. Since we're focused on affiliate, let's choose affiliate, click on submit, and we're now going to want to start to add some of these as follow-up messages. So let's enter our affiliate ID here and scroll down, and that can come in as after the day 1, and so on and so forth. But hopefully this video has been useful to show you how powerful and how quick Pushpro is at actually launching a list building website. It can literally be done in under 100 seconds, and all you need is a brand new Pushpro account and a ClickBank account, and you've got everything you need to actually start building a list and monetizing and generating commissions in 2019 using Pushpro and this incredible new cutting edge and very much done for you list building technology. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the other side. Cheers.
So that's it, friends. You saw the demo. I hope that would have given you clarity about the software Pushable. Okay, now if you click over here, you will be taken to the sales page. Let's go to the sales page and see. And now we are on the sales page, and there is one more video for you to see. So you can see that at your leisure. It will give you more clarity about the product. Finally, Apple plus Google push technology in your hands to try unlimited leads, traffic and commissions from 3.7 billion buyers to any website or affiliate link. So this is going to aid you in your affiliate marketing. Do you want to get unlimited traffic with Apple and Google? Then it's 100 times more profitable than email. And it is easier, no need to spend time. 97% of the affiliate marketers, they know that email marketing is very important for their sales. But then all 97% fail to do it. Only 3% succeed. So this is a fact about email marketing. So who can benefit from push? Other than Apple and Google, the short answer, any type of marketer or affiliates. You can see here, marketers, site owners, retired, affiliate, media, buyer, newbies, e-commerce, anybody. This will work alongside whatever you are doing. Everything you need to profit and build your first 10,000 traffic, getting buyer list is already built and preloaded inside this cutting edge cloud-based software suite. All you have to do is put your link into that and get all the benefit out of it. So it's a pushable. And to aid you, you have 20 videos on how to profit with push notification. This will give you the complete training on how to use a Pushable. You also get a very good bonus package from Pushable. Agency commercial resellers rights, instant done for you website, instant done for you campaigns, video training, etc. So these are the other values that you will be getting once you decide to access this package. So that's it, friends. This will aid you in your affiliate marketing. You need not have to spend a lot of money on autoresponders. You need not be scared about getting booted out or banned. So you can go ahead with Pushables. It has got a lot of helpful features which will help you in your affiliate marketing. So with this, I conclude my review. Please click on the link below and purchase it from me and benefit and get all the bonuses of mine as well as the bonuses from the vendor. And don't forget to put a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.